This portion of Local Lifestyles is sponsored by the Western Kentucky Regional Blood Center.
And the Western Kentucky Regional Blood Center, like so many of us this month, focusing on heart health, and you can support the work by rolling up your sleeves. Vicki Ellis is back with us. Good to see you this morning.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
I understand you're going to be rolling over here and visiting us.
We are. We thought, people in Henderson need cholesterol screenings, and they need to have heart health, and so we're bringing our services over.
So when's it going to happen? Thursday or Friday?
Friday.
Friday here.
Friday, 10 to 2, Bloodmobile in the lower parking lot. If anyone's interested in signing up beforehand, there's a QR code be floating around on your Facebook page as well as our Facebook page, and they scan that QR code, they can set up, there it is, magic of TV.
It is the magic of TV.
And they can schedule an appointment there, or walk-ins are welcome.
Now, when you come, I know there's a battery of questions you have to ask people. How long does that take typically, Vicki?
That's the longest part of donating blood, and that's probably 15 to 20 minutes altogether, but the questions are necessary, and the FDA says we have to ask them every single time, so we do our best to get through them, and it helps us serve the donor better, too.
Right, it moves the process along as well.
Right.
Are there specific needs you have right now as far as blood type?
Right now, we are focused predominantly on O negative and O positive. Of course, much of the population has O positive blood, and then O negative is the universal. So anyone can take O negative, and those are always in great demand.
Really? And is that common? Is it a common blood type?
O positive is one of the most common blood types. O negative is not so rare, but it's that if you are O negative, that is all you can receive. But in emergency situations, if they don't have time to type and cross-match, they're going to pump O negative, especially into women of childbearing years or children. In men, if it's an emergency situation, you might get O negative, but you might get O positive. But they're going to reserve the O negative for children of childbearing years and children.
That's so interesting. I mean, we don't think about that. How many of us really even know what our blood type is?
Most people do not know what their blood type is unless they donate blood.
Oh, really? So do you tell them right then, oh, you're O positive? Or?
Well, we don't do it on the spot when they come in to donate blood, but once your unit of blood's taken back to our center, we have our center in Owensboro. We do all our own testing, and we're the only blood center in the state of Kentucky that can say that we can do the unit from beginning to end, because we do have all the testing equipment and the staff that can do that. But within about 2 weeks, you'll get a card back in the mail with your blood type, and then you'll know. And
it's in your file too, so you have that, calling people in.
Right.
So again, the Bloodmobile will be here at WEHT, and it'll be on our lower parking lot, which it'll be easy to see, and there's lots of parking there to come up and donate. It's a terrific opportunity, because you're serving our area.
Well, the hospitals that we serve are Owensboro Health and Ohio County Hospital, and there are folks that live and work in Henderson that would go to Owensboro Health.
Sure.
Same as there are people in Davis County that may come over here to St. Mary, or I guess it's St. Vincent's now.
St. Vincent, yes.
Or Deaconess. And so, yes, that's a population that we still need to serve.
And we also have loved ones who live in those areas and go to those facilities. Vicki, thank you so much. I guess, will we see you on Friday?
I've been over here yesterday and today. They're going to get tired of seeing me, and I may pop in Friday, but chances are you'll be in the great hands of our mobile crew, and they're phenomenal. It's a fun time when you donate blood with us. Staff's been there, most of them 20+ years, and it's like family.
It's how you make everybody comfortable too.
Sure.
Thank you so much. It's always good to see you.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more Lifestyles right after this. Stay with us.
This portion of Local Lifestyles is sponsored by the Western Kentucky Regional Blood Center.